Shares of Angel One zoomed around 8% in trade as investors cheered the discount broker's strong set of earnings for the quarter ended September. The company's net profit surged 39% on year to 423 crore, while revenue went up by about 45% on year. International brokerage UBS initiated coverage on small-cap player RK Forgings, seeing a bullish outlook on the company and a whopping upside of about 46%. RK Forgings has a low single-digit share in the global market, which indicates that the company has a long runway for growth, said UBS. Shares of Suntech Realty surged more than 7% after the real estate major posted a healthy Q2 FY25 performance, clocking Rs 520 crore in pre-sales, up 33% on year as the demand momentum continued in the Mumbai metropolitan region. Shares of troubled low-budget carrier SpiceJet gained as much as 3% intraday after the company informed that it has reached a settlement with two more of its lessors for an aggregated amount of about $5 million. JSW Infra, the newly listed entity of the JSW Group, are trading with gains of as much as 3% as brokerage firm Nuvama Institutional Equities has initiated coverage on the stock with a buy recommendation. The brokerage sees a price target of 390 rupees per share, which indicates about a 22% upside from the previous session's closing price. Shares of IT major Wipro fell on profit booking as investors offloaded their holdings ahead of Wipro's earnings, which is expected to come on October 17th. The IT player is likely to clock a sequential revenue growth of about 1.2%, gaining from new deal ramp-ups, said brokerages. DB Corp reported a 17.6% year-on-year increase in net profit, reaching 82.6 crore, while revenue rose 4.6% to 559 crore for the quarter ended September. Despite this, shares fell almost 5% in trade. HDFC Life reported its Q2 earnings with net profit jumping 15% year-on-year to 433 crore, beating street expectations, led by healthy premium collections and investment income. The net premium income during the July to September 2024 period increased 12% on year. However, the street was disappointed with the result as margins disappointed, causing the stock to tumble almost 4% in trade. The 4% fall in crude prices will have a negative bearing on oil drilling stocks such as Oil India as it squeezes their profit margins. This is because the price of refined products might not drop as quickly or proportionally, and hence refineries which are holding inventories bought at higher prices might face inventory losses as the value of their stock decreases. Shares of Indian Energy Exchange extended losses from the previous session, falling as much as 3% after fears of market coupling, which has been a significant overhang on the stock, resurfaced.